Have you ever seen a high-voltage lighter made from scrap electronics that can create a powerful spark using just a 3 to 4 volt battery? Today, I'm going to show you a very simple but powerful high-voltage lighter circuit that anyone can make at home using easily available components. So watch this video till the end, because this circuit is simple, educational, and very interesting. The components used in this circuit are a Z44N MOSFET, a 1K ohm quarter-watt resistor, a push button, an old dead LCD or LED lamp card transformer. You can also buy a new one from the market, a 3 to 4 volt DC battery or power supply, and that's it. Now let's move to the circuit connections. First of all, take the lamp card transformer and understand its windings. The side with very thin wire and more windings is the high voltage output side, and the other side with thicker wire and only 3 loops is the input side. A high voltage transformer may have only 5 pins, and some may have more. You just have to remember this formula. A very thin wire produces high voltage because it has more windings. The more turns it has, the higher its voltage will be. Now we start building the circuit. In my case, I am using a 4 volt DC battery and a battery holder. You can use a battery holder or attach the battery directly using double-sided tape. It's completely up to you. It can work either way. If you want to make it more professional, that also depends on you. My job is to explain the formula and then make a circuit using easily available components so that you people can benefit from it. Now we fix the high voltage transformer with the help of double-sided tape and turn its high voltage side outward. The drain pin of the Z44N MOSFET is connected to pin number 1 of the low voltage side of the high voltage transformer. Next, place the push button where it is easy to use. Connect the positive pin of the battery to one pin of the push button, and connect the other pin of the push button to pin number 2 of the transformer. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the MOSFET source pin. After this, connect the 1K ohm resistor from pin number 3 of the transformer to the gate pin of the MOSFET. There is a very important thing to remember here. Many friends make mistakes while building this circuit. Because of these small mistakes, their circuit does not work. And then they comment that this circuit is not working for them. So to avoid this problem, you must understand one important point carefully. If your circuit does not work, you only need to change 2 connections. Simply swap transformer pin number 1 with pin number 3. The reason for this is that the number of turns in the transformer windings on one side may be more or less than the other side. Because of this difference in windings, sometimes the circuit does not start working on the first attempt. So, if the circuit does not work initially, just change the transformer connections and the circuit will definitely start working. For the high voltage spark, we will use a few pieces of wire. Both insulated and non-insulated wires can be used. Place the ends of the wires very close to each other, leaving a small gap. Now insert a 3 or 4 volt DC battery into the holder, and your circuit is ready. I have used a battery holder here. If you are not using a holder, then you will also need to install a recharging circuit for the battery. In the next video, I will show you how to adjust the circuit inside this holder for charging the battery. Now let me explain how this circuit actually works. The Z44N MOSFET works like a high-speed electronic switch. When you press the push button, power flows to the transformer's low voltage winding. The MOSFET rapidly switches on and off, which creates a changing magnetic field inside the transformer. Because the high voltage side has many more turns of thin wire, this changing magnetic field produces a very high voltage at the output, which creates a strong electric spark between the 2 wires. As soon as you release the push button, the MOSFET stops switching, the magnetic field collapses, and the spark instantly turns off. That's why this circuit is both simple and controllable. As soon as you press the push button, the circuit starts working and a high voltage spark is generated, which can burn things like paper or even light a gas stove. As soon as you release the button, the circuit turns off. You can clearly see from the results that our circuit is working properly. If you found this project useful, like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful electronics projects. In the next video, I'll show you how to add a battery charging circuit to this lighter, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.